right, here's our last special angle pair. It's called vertical angles. Um, and here's the book definition. Two non-adjacent angles formed by two intersecting lines. Remember, adjacent meant the adjacent piece of this. The adjacent piece meant right next to each other, like the student that's next to you in class, the house, the lot, the apartment, wherever you live, that's next to you where you live, next door, right close. Okay, so two non-adjacent angles formed by two intersecting lines. Let's look at some examples in this picture here. And we'll come back to this picture a lot as we go through this early part of geometry that has a bunch of intersecting lines and a bunch of angles. Let's take, for example, angle 1. Okay, so if I wanted an angle that was vertical with angle 1, it can't be adjacent to it, and it has to be formed by two intersecting lines. Well, here's this line and this line that form angle 1. What is an angle that's not adjacent to it but is also formed by those lines? 2 and 3 would be considered adjacent. 4 would be a winner. So 1 and 4 are called vertical angles. Let's make a list. I'll call them VAs with an apostrophe, which stands for vertical angles. So one example would be angle 1, angle 4. Well, let's go back and take a look at angle 2. This one right here. Angle 2 is formed by this line and this line. Do those two lines form another angle that's not adjacent to angle 2? Angle 3 would have to be the answer. Go down to this picture down here. For example, take angle, angle 5. Angle 5 is here. Okay, 8 and 6 are adjacent, so angle 7 would be your answer. And then you probably guessed angle 6 and angle 8. Now, vertical angles, there's actually a vertical angle theorem that comes with it later on. I won't spoil it for you, but you might figure out what's true about vertical angles. Thanks.